Hello. Good morning, grade 2/1. How are you today? I hope that you are all doing good. This video is for our science subject. And our topic for today is about, kindly guess? I told it last time in our last video for plants. Our next topic is about, you will see it later. So I hope that you will listen carefully and you will concentrate to watch our video so that you will understand and learn about our lesson for today. Our topic for today is all about animals. How do we spell animals? A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals. What are the needs of the animals? The animals need, first, the food. They need something to eat. Next is the air to breathe in. Another is the water. And lastly, they also need shelter. They need this for them to stay alive. Human beings, or the people, the plants, as well as the animals, these are all considered living things. Next, let's go to the category of the animals. First, some animals eat plants only. For example, the rabbit. Next, we have the cow. And then, the giraffe. These animals eat plants only, and these are what we call the herbivores. Again, these animals are what we call the herbivores. The second one, some animals eat other animals. Some animals eat other animals. For example, we have the wolf, the shark, and the lion. These animals are what we call the carnivores. Again, these animals are what we call the carnivores. So if we have herbivores, they eat plants only. For carnivores, they eat other animals. The next category of the animals, number 3, some animals eat both plants and animals. Again, some animals eat both plants and animals. We have here examples. The hen. A hen eats worms and grains. Next, the pig. The pig eats meat, grains, and vegetables. It also eats insects. Next, we have the bear. The bear eats plants and meats. For us human, we also eat plants as well as meats. For example, the fish, the pig pork, the beef, those are examples of meat. So, these are what we call the omnivores. Again, these animals who eats both plants and animals, these are what we call the omnivores. Again, omnivores.
Animals.
Some animals only eat plants and the fruit, veggies, seeds, and nuts that grow from those plants. But some animals eat other animals, and some animals eat both.
Herbivore, eating fruits and seeds. Yum! Herbivore, eating
All animals grow. They change in size and weight. As they grow, they become bigger and heavier. First, for example, we have the puppy, it becomes a dog. We have here the baby turtles and the mother. And another is the kitten and the cat. Most baby animals look like their parents. They just smaller or they are just smaller in size. As an animal grows, it becomes bigger and heavier. For example, a kitten grows into a cat. So if you can see the baby or the kitten, when it grows, it becomes like her mother. Another one is the baby turtle grows into an adult turtle. So you can see it lays egg and then cracks and it becomes an adult. However, some baby animals do not look like their parents. As they grow, they change. Look at these pictures and tell how they change as they grow. So we have here the eggs, and then it becomes a tadpole. After the tadpole, it will be a froglet. And after the froglet, it becomes a frog. So we have here the circle. After the frog, then it lays egg again. It becomes tadpole, froglet, and then frog. So this is the cycle of the frog. Next, we have another example. We have here the egg. Then it becomes a larva, or what we call the caterpillar. After that, it will be a pupa. Then it will become a beautiful butterfly. So this is the cycle of the butterfly. Eggs, larva, pupa, and then it turns into a butterfly. Similar to plants, animals respond to stimuli too. Most of them respond to touch, light, and also the temperature. So first we'll discuss about touch. It says here some animals such as cats and rabbits like to be touched or stroked. This makes the animals feel safe and loved. Same as the dogs, they also love to be touched or stroked. That's why they are very friendly to us. Another example, we have here the millipedes. The millipedes curl up their body when they are touched. So you can see the millipedes over there. Some animals like tortoise and snails hide themselves in their shells when they are touched. This helps them to protect themselves. Let's watch this short video. If you will observe, the turtle is protecting itself from its shell. It is hiding from its shell. It is to protect itself not to be eaten by the other animals. Next, we have the light. Certain animals like bats and earthworms respond to light by moving away from it. They live in dark, damp places like the caves. The bats live inside the caves because it is too dark. Another one we also have here, fireflies are unique animals. They glow in the dark. So if you look at the picture, the tree has a light. So it's like a Christmas light, but it's not. It is because of the fireflies. They glow in the dark. However, only the male fireflies have this glowing ability. The glow is the stimuli to attract the female fireflies. Again, only the male. If you said male, the boys, they have only this glowing ability. They are the ones who glow in the dark. Most animals naturally wake up when the day gets bright and go to sleep when it becomes dark. However, nocturnal animals respond in the opposite way. Again, nocturnal animals respond in the opposite way. They sleep during the day and wake up at night. For example, the owl. They sleep at daytime and wakes up at nighttime. For the third one, we have here the temperature. Why do dogs like to hang out their tongues? It is because they are actually responding to their surrounding temperature. The tongue helps to cool its body by letting out heat through evaporation. Next, we also have here the hippopotamus. Look or cool down their body by spending their days being submerged in rivers or lakes. If you said submerged, it is under the water. Don't you know that animals are very useful to us? How? For example, number one, we get milk from cows and goats. That is very delicious. Another one, we get meat from pigs, cows, chickens, dogs, and the fish. This is what we eat. They make us full. And the insects help the plants to reproduce. Today in our video, there will be no activity, but I will give you homework. I will send it to you through line. So that is our lesson for today. I hope that you understand and learn something. Again, if you want or you have any questions, you can review our video. You can watch again, or you can search in YouTube some topics about animals. So that's it. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye!